Ada is driven by artificial intelligence. It's a project that smiles back at you. The name comes from Ada Lovelace, one of the first computer programmers, and the linkages between weaving and computation. Knitting is one of the earliest examples of 3D printing, additively layering link by link, row by row material. The project features soft forms that are more feminine versus masculine, and that's a paradigm shift in architecture. The shape of Ada is an ellipsoid. It features a unique exoskeleton composed of a network of fiberglass rods and 3D printed nodes. Every single node is different and has a unique ID attached to it. The interior surface is composed of hundreds of digitally knit cones and cells in a network of webbing. In the center of Ada is a large tensegrity cone composed of a skin of fiber optic cables. Photoluminescent fiber absorbs energy from the lighting and then emits that back as knitted light, as glowing light. But the real magic comes through how people actually engage with it. On the interior soft surface is a whole network of LEDs connected to a network of cameras within the atrium, reading the facial expressions of people in an anonymous way. When Building 99 is very active, the project will be very vibrant and highly transformative. There are moments where it blushes. The hope is that people realize their engagement is actually driving the project, that the project begins to gain its own life in the way that it is interacting with people.